Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a wide pan. This creates the flavor base. Once the oil shimmers, add sliced onion, crushed garlic, and green chili to bloom aromatics and release sugars. Meanwhile, boil 200 grams of noodles in salted water until just soft, then drain and toss with a little oil to prevent sticking. You do this so vegetables caramelize fast and noodles stay separate. It speeds cooking and locks in texture for the stir-fry ahead. You now crank heat to high and add the harder vegetables first so they brown, which gives depth. Once they show color, push them to the side and pour in soy sauce, chili sauce, and a pinch of turmeric to build savory, spicy, and warm color notes. This balance is key for Desi style. Then fold in the pre-oiled noodles, tossing vigorously. Make sure to add a splash of water if the pan looks dry. It helps the sauce coat each strand evenly instead of burning. You finish by turning off the heat and adding chopped cilantro, a squeeze of lemon, and roasted cumin powder to lift aroma. This contrast brightens the dish. Once done, give a final toss on high for 30 to 45 seconds to sear and marry flavors, then serve immediately. If noodles became soggy, spread them thin on a tray to cool and revive texture. Make sure to add a tablespoon of water and toss if they seem dry, because controlled moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.